The UA-310 is an intrinsically safe radar designed by Woxu based on a domestic EWB solution. The product supports high-speed cascading of multiple devices using a high-performance RF solution and single antenna design. Only one external antenna is needed to achieve single anchor positioning, with a coverage range of up to 800 meters per anchor. The UA-310 is explosion-proof, meeting the personnel positioning requirements in underground environments with flammable gas presence, and adopts a wall-mounted installation method. The UA-310 achieves centimeter-level positioning accuracy through nanosecond pulse signals. It features high-speed cascading wiring and can support cascading of no fewer than 8 devices over long distances. System integrators and solution providers are welcome to purchase.